Lancer boasts a regular unleaded I-4 2.0 liters/122 engine powering this manual transmission. Trunk rear cargo access, trip computer, transmission, 5-speed manual. This Mitsubishi Lancer comes equipped with these options: tires, P205/60R16 as, systems monitor, strut front suspension with coil springs, steel spare wheel, speed-sensitive variable intermittent wipers, side impact beams, seats with cloth back material, rocker panel extensions, remote releases incorporated, mechanical cargo access and mechanical fuel, remote keyless entry with integrated key transmitter, illuminated entry, illuminated ignition switch, and panic button. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.